Today we have a really neat house in Caccamo in the historic area up above the main street. The house starts right here, is this part of the unit here, and this right here. But these would be your views from the house. This is the Chiesa Madre, the tower, and the castle. These steps belong to the property and this little terraced area. This would be a really nice place to have a table and chairs, some plants. This is your own little special spot. It will never get sun because the sun comes from the east in this direction and goes across to the west, but it would never hit this little spot, so it would always be in shade. So in the summer days, you'd have a nice little respite in the shade. There are two parts of the house, this one and this one. Really nice terrazzo floors. This room is their living room, their dining area. It's got large ceilings, kind of that angle up. This is the kitchen. Pretty small, but I think you could bust through this window right here, this wall right here. I don't believe it's load bearing. And then you have a large space with, of course, this view. Wow. And there's even snow on the mountains right now. You can enlarge this window, make it a feature of the room. The floors are in good shape, they just need to be cleaned up. They can be sanded down a bit to get to the raw material, and then polished. So this is a good size room. So if you bust through that wall right there, I believe that would be your beam there that's supporting everything. So that would remain, but you could bust through this wall and open this up and have an L-shape kitchen in that direction. And this is a really nice room. It's got a toilet. You probably would want to take that out or box it in, create a bathroom there. Floors in here are really nice, tile. Since there's water right here, you could box out this space and create a nice full bath in that area and still have room for a bed in here. Be sure to click like and subscribe to see all the new homes we have available in Sicily. So I asked Filippo about this wall.
This wall stays.
This wall stays, but it would cut right here because the wall in the kitchen. This one can be taken down.
Yes.
So you open up the space
Yes.
to make this a kitchen area right here. Yeah.
Living area.
Yeah.
And if you want to have a bigger window, you can do that too.
Yes. Yes.
But
You would definitely want a bigger window.
because the view is
The
beautiful.
view is unbelievable. Yes. Okay. Now we're moving from this big space. There's another space. Right now you have to go outside to get to it, but we were trying to figure out a way to.
This area belongs to the house.
Okay,
So you can have a table over
you
here.
could have a little terrace here, a little sitting area with plants and things would be very nice.
Yes. here you got sono due stanze, giusto?
Sì.
2 rooms plus
C'è
a little
Okay. Okay, a little
si può
bathroom.
fare con una doccia proprio.
Yeah.
Una volta che c'è lo scale.
Okay. So then you come down into this room. There's a lot of stuff in here, but it's very big. As you come down the 3 steps, the ceiling height is much higher. What would you say? 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 meters high. And then again, you have views of the castle. And this could be a great bedroom. You could expand this window, make it much larger so that you'd have views from, if you had your bed over here, you'd have views looking up at the castle. There's many possibilities here. I would enlarge this bathroom, maybe even make this whole space here a nice sized bathroom, and you have a little seating area in here. And keep in mind the other house, the part of the house is up here, so there is the possibility of bumping through somehow to get to it. Okay, Filippo, it's a great house. What's the price?
45 negotiable.
45,000 negotiable. Okay, great. Thank you very much. We'll leave you with this view. One last thing, they said this parking area would also be yours. So this post can come out and you'd have your own private parking area and be able to walk right down into your lovely home. And every time you do, you'll be looking at this.